Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Zapier. This integration allows you to automate workflows by connecting Slack with thousands of other apps, making your team communication more efficient and streamlined. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Zapier dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be creating your automated workflows. Once you're logged in, look for the Zap button and click on it. This will start the process of creating a new automation. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps together, and in this case, we're connecting Slack to another service. Next, you'll see the trigger button appear. Click on it to begin setting up what will start your automation. In the search field that appears, type in Slack and select it as your trigger app. The trigger is the event that kicks off your entire workflow, so this is a crucial step in the setup process. Now you'll need to choose a trigger event from the drop-down menu. Select New Message Posted to Channel. This means that every time a new message appears in a specific Slack channel, your Zap will automatically activate. This is perfect for staying on top of important conversations or announcements. At this point, Zapier will prompt you to sign in to your Slack account. Go ahead and enter your Slack credentials when the authorization window appears. You'll need to select your workspace from the list and then click Allow to grant Zapier permission to connect with your Slack account. This authorization is necessary for Zapier to access your channels and messages. After authorizing the connection, you'll be asked to select the specific Slack channel you want to monitor. Choose the channel where you want the trigger to watch for new messages. This could be a general channel, a project-specific channel, or any channel that's relevant to your automation needs. Now it's time to set up what happens when a new message is posted. Click the Action button to define what your Zap should do next. In the search field, type in and select another app. For this example, let's use Email by Zapier, which allows you to send automated emails based on your Slack messages. From the drop-down menu, choose an action event, select Send Outbound Email, and then click Continue. This action will send an email every time a new message appears in your chosen Slack channel. Next, you'll need to fill in the action fields. This is where you map the data from your Slack trigger to the email you're sending. For example, you can paste the Slack message content into the email body field, and you can use other data like the sender's name or timestamp in the subject line. Take your time here to customize how you want the information to appear in your email. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click Continue. Zapier will then ask you to test the action to make sure everything is working correctly. This test will send a sample email based on your configuration so you can verify that the data is flowing properly between Slack and your chosen app. Give it a moment to process as the test runs. After confirming that the test was successful, you're ready to activate your automation. Click Publish Zap to turn it on. Your Slack integration is now live and will automatically trigger whenever a new message is posted to your selected channel. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Zapier, creating an automated workflow that saves you time and keeps you connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.